Hello, welcome. This is Jerry. In this video, we're gonna go through this vehicle. This is the MG ZST Essence. This is the top spec for MG New Zealand and MG Australia. So we have done the BlackPack for this vehicle. So it's got a full blackout around the vehicle. And this vehicle is at the moment retail price 34,990 Driveaway in New Zealand. If you're looking to get one of these, you can contact us at ebitpukeoi.co.nz, or you can contact me directly. My name is Jerry. I'll leave my email down below. It's jerry@ebit.co.nz. Here's how the key looks like. We have the MG logo at the side, 3 touch button for the vehicle unlock. So 4 LED lights plus LED daytime running lights at the front and a fog lights at the bottom. Let's look around. So in this particular vehicle we did a blackout edition, so you can now see the MG logo is fully black out, and obviously from factory you are getting this blackout grille anyway. And on the side we have got a 17-inch alloys with Michelin tires. Again, this is glossy black finish for the 17-inch tires. And on the side, the vehicle does come with black mirrors as standard, but what we did is black out the door trims, so pretty much a chrome delete, and the door handles plus the door buttons for the keyless entry. On the top, the roof rails from the vehicle standard, you're getting the silver finish roof rails. We did a black as well. And also on the windows left and right and the back, we did a window tinting. As a New Zealand legal, you are only getting 35%, but it is dark enough for most people. At the back, another MG logo for the blackout. So the only thing we didn't black out is pretty much just the MG logo. Again, you can black this out. You just have to buy a new badge and take off the old badge, spray it black and put it on. This is from the back. This thing adds a really good look for the vehicle. Alright, so as standard, jump in the vehicle, unlock the door. Otherwise, you have this touch button for the keyless entry. So being the top spec, we have a full leather seat, obviously synthetic leather, with electric adjustments on the driver's side, and MG logo on the headrest. And on top, we have a panoramic sunroof. If we jump in, we'll have a full digital dash. And switch on the vehicle with the keyless start. Just press the button.
ZST Women's World Cup.
That's how the digital display looks. Obviously, this is a sold vehicle. And we have the MG traditional steering. You'll find this similar steering on the ZS, ZST, EV, everything. And this is the 10-inch display in the center. We have music, radio, navigation, aircon controls, and also phone settings, car settings, vehicle screen settings, and 360 camera. Along with that, we have Apple Carplay, Android Auto, and other small functions along the side. And let's see the 360 camera. So you have reverse and the 360 on the side. Press this button, that allows you to go through different screens. You can also use the 3D, that will give you the surround view camera, just like that. And underneath we have direct buttons for the home button, music, volume, aircon switch, plus windscreen at the front, rear defroster, fan speed, and the temperature control. Underneath we have 2 charging ports, one is for charging and one is for connecting the Apple CarPlay. Gear select is very easy, handbrake plus auto hold. And on the steering we'll have a full digital display, so that allows you to see the speedo, the rev counter, and all the information in the center. So you actually can change this display to different views and all that things. You can see the adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and all those information, so you can go up and down to change all that things. So that's pretty handy, plus tire pressure monitoring system. On the ZST as standard, you are getting tons of safety features, blind spot detection, rear traffic cross alert, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and lane keeps assist, pre-collision warning, emergency braking. So pretty much what you see on modern vehicles, these does come with as standard. And a cool feature this has is a USB charging port. So at the front on the windscreen, so if you're gonna mount a how do you say, dash cam on the screen, either this side or the other side, this is going to be very easy to connect. And we have the control for the sunroof. So you have the button, opens the sunroof cover. Just like that. And you can tilt open. You can also twist. Twist all the way. Once you twist all the way, you can always just twist and hold all the way back. Now this is as far as it goes. And twist all the way back. That allows us to close the sunroof. In case you want to purchase any of this, you can also contact us at Petrol, and you can contact me directly. My name is Jerry. I'll leave my email down below. Let's go to the back. So this is how the rear seat looks like. That's my sitting position in the front. You got loads of knee room, loads of leg room. Although it looks like it's a small vehicle, but it's gonna be enough for 4 adults, 100%. I do get good amount of leg room and foot space. Along with that, you get 2 USB charging, and this is how the dashboard looks like. Oh, let's have a look at the boot. So to open the tailgate, push the logo on the top, open it up. So it's got good deep floor space. This is the lower floor, by the way. Underneath we have the charging, we have our tire spare wheel and jack and tools. Also pull this up and leave this on top, just like this. That's how the vehicle looks like when the base is upwards. You can also drop the seats again, so pull on the side. To this side, this is unfortunately not easy to reach if you are at the back, but now the vehicle is flat. You can see how much space it's got. Obviously you can take this off if you need to. And that's pretty much all about this video about the MG ZST Black out. Again, if you're interested in one of these, you can contact us at Petrol in New Zealand. We're in the Auckland region, or we're close to Walkaround anyway. And you can also contact me directly. My name is Jerry. I'll leave my email address down below.